How are you?
I'm fine, and you?
Do you understand?
Yes, I understand.
Are you hungry?
Yes, I'm hungry.
Are you ready?
No, I'm not ready yet.
Are you married?
I'm not married.
Are you sick?
Yes, I'm sick.
Are you sure?
No, I'm not sure.
Can you swim?
Yes, I can.
Do you have a boyfriend?
No, I don't have a boyfriend.
Are you looking for a boyfriend?
I don't need a boyfriend.
When do I start?
You'll start at 9 a.m.
Why don't you ask him?
Because he doesn't know.
Do you want to go to the doctor?
Yes, I do.
Why don't you share it?
Because it's not good for us.
What is she doing?
I don't know what he's doing.
How many dollars do you have?
I only have $5.
When will he be back?
He'll be back in 20 minutes.
What time does it start?
It starts at 8:45 a.m.
What will the weather be like tomorrow?
It's supposed to rain tomorrow.
Anything else?
Nothing else.
Are they the same?
Yes, they're the same.
Are you afraid?
No, I'm not afraid.
Are you allergic to anything?
Yes, I'm allergic to seafood.
Do you have any vacancies?
Sorry, we don't have any vacancies.
Do you speak English?
Yes, I speak a little English.
Do you take credit cards?
Sorry, we only accept cash.
How far is it?
About 300 kilometers.
How is she?
She's pretty.
How many children do you have?
I have 3 children, 2 girls, and 1 boy.
How many languages do you speak?
I speak 3 languages.
What does your father do?
My father is a banker.
Do you think I'm crazy?
No, you are so handsome.
Do you smoke?
No, I don't like smoking.
Do you hear me?
Sorry, repeat again.
Do you know us?
Yes, you are Zara's cousin.
Do you love me?
Yes, I love you so much.
Do you drink coffee?
I like to drink coffee.
Do you speak English?
A little, but not very well.
Do you know that hotel?
Sorry, I don't.
Why do you ask me?
Because he is a liar.
Do you know him?
Yes, he is my grandfather.
Do you like rap?
Yes, I love rap.
What do you have?
I have a lot of money.
What do you need?
Actually, I need your help.
What do you want?
I want to be your wife.
Do you have a car?
Yes, I have a new car.
Do you want money?
Yes, I want money for shopping.
What does Zara do?
She is a teacher.
When do you study?
I study every afternoon.
Where do you live?
I live in New York.
Do you play soccer?
Yes, I play soccer every day.
Do you have a fever?
Yes, I have a fever of 104 degrees.
Why did she do that?
Because he's mad.
Are you afraid of snakes?
Yes, I am very afraid of snakes.
Do you have a family?
Yes, I have a small family.
Do you have a tattoo?
No, I don't like tattoos.
Do you have a ticket?
No, I am going to buy a ticket.
Do you have blankets?
No, but I need a blanket.
Do you think I'm fat?
No, you're so dashing.
What should I do now?
You should go to sleep now.
Do you have any boyfriend?
No, I haven't. Will you be my boyfriend?
Do you like to travel?
Yes, I like to travel.
Do you need this book?
Yes, I am questing this book.
Do you think I'm ugly?
No, you're so attractive.
Do ghosts really exist?
Yes, there are ghosts in that room.
Where do you have pain?
I have back pain.
Will you do me a favor?
Of course.
I'll see you at 6.
I look forward to seeing you.
How do you like your new phone?
It's fantastic.
When's the next public holiday?
It's next Monday.
How's your new job?
It's challenging.
Do you have any other questions?
No, that's all for now.
What's the best way to contact you?
You can email me.
How's your new apartment?
It's great. I love it.
Is this seat taken?
No, it's available.
Where can I find a taxi?
There's a taxi stand outside the hotel.
Do you often work late?
Only when there's a deadline.
What's the Wi-Fi password?
The password is welcome123.
How's your new car?
It's running smoothly.
When is the best time to visit the park?
Early in the morning is ideal.
When does the train leave?
The train leaves at 3:45 p.m.
What were you doing when I called?
I was getting ready to leave.
You woke up early today.
I wanted to start the day early.
Do you have a scheduled appointment?
No, I don't have one.
Would you like some food?
No, I'm not hungry.
Where did Jenny head to?
She went to the bank.
Where do you live?
I live in San Francisco.
Did you call me earlier?
Yes, I wanted to check in about our meeting.
Were you with someone?
No, I was alone.
Would you like to place an order?
Yes, I'd like to order now.
Do you think you're in good health?
I try to eat healthy and exercise regularly.
It's pleasant today.
I can wear my new dress.
It's a lucky day.
Why do you think so?
Have you watched this film?
Yes, I saw it last week.
Are you prepared?
No, not yet.
Do you have brothers or sisters?
I have one older brother.
What's your citizenship?
I'm British.
What did you do this morning?
I went for a run.
What are you anticipating?
I'm waiting for the bus.
How old is your grandmother?
She's 80 years old.
Excuse me, may I open the door?
Yes, it's quite warm in here.
What's new with you?
I've recently moved to a new apartment.
What's your country's capital?
The capital is Berlin.
What does your mother do?
She's a nurse at the local hospital.
Can you help me out?
Certainly. What do you need?
What's your location?
I'm at 123 Oak Street.
What river is that?
That's the Thames.
You have a younger sister, right?
Yes, I do.
How much is this book?
It's $12.
What are your plans for this afternoon?
I'm not sure yet.
Which month is it?
It's February.
I'll meet you at 5 p.m.
I'll see you then.
I have a headache.
You should have a nap before you go to work.
You got up really early today.
I wanted to get a head start on my day.
Do you have an appointment?
No, I don't.
Why don't you take a shower?
Because I'm not feeling well.
Do you have some more questions?
No, thanks.
Did you enjoy the show?
Yes, I was enjoying the show.
Do you know that you're an uncommonly beautiful girl?
Yes, everyone thinks.
Can you come for dinner tonight?
No, I work at the market tonight. Great job following our English lesson today. You did well to listen and practice so much. Keep practicing because it helps you get better. Every time you learn, you are closer to speaking English really well. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more lessons. Your support helps us to create more helpful content for you. See you next time and happy learning!